Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing some hip work on the Pilates Springboard. This is the Benniebarrefitness Pilates studio. Go ahead and set up your board with your springs down at a level 1 all the way at the bottom of the springboard and your foot straps on. Okay, it's time next for some hip work. So if your straps differ for hands and feet, we're putting on the foot straps. So I'm going to remove my firm hand straps and put on my softer foot straps. We're going to make sure that we're an arm's distance apart from the board. And we're going to place the foot straps on. And they're coming right here in the middle of your foot. Okay, we're going to go into the frog first. So hands can be up at your board, or if you have a rod that's right there, they can be down in the mat. Okay, so when we go into the frog, we want our heels to be together and we want our feet to be forming a V. And the same thing with our knees. So we want our knees to be about in line with our shoulders. So we don't want it to come out so wide here. So we want to think about maintaining that Pilates V with our feet and the V with our knees, so it's about shoulder distance. So from here, we're going to flex through the feet and we're going to press straight out and away. So if you feel like your springs are in your face, you might need to go up a level, but most springboards you should be on a level 1 and be just great here. Good, we're going to exhale, press out and away, those legs zip up together and return. Exhale, extend, inhale, return. So our feet are working independently on these springs. As we press away, each leg is working independently. So it's not like being on a reformer where we press away from the bar and we work evenly through our legs. We're going to find instabilities or imbalances here. So you may find like your heels shifting back and forth, and that's just for you to note and correct. There's one leg that's pushing harder than the other leg. And see if you can even them. Zip the legs together and draw back in. Pressing out and back in. Good. Out. Back in. We're going to take the extended frog and the extended frog in reverse here. So we're going to take this motion here. We're going to press out and away. From here, we're going to let the legs open up. Now we're going to draw those heels in. Bring the heels back to the V and knees back to the V in line with your shoulders. And then press out. Float out and away. Heels coming in. Pressing out. Good. These feel nice. We're definitely working, but it's nice when we're working muscles and we feel so good doing it. That's the story with the springboard. That's the magic of the springboard. Did you know that your workouts can make you feel amazing in the moment, right unevenness in your body, and also make you feel worked later and help you build and develop muscle, make a toned physique, give you long, lean muscle, and help you become stronger in everything that you do. One thing that I find with those that come to my springboard classes that they may normally struggle during Mat Pilates and give up is that they can translate everything they learn from the springs and take with them onto the mat. And I've seen people go from beginner levels on the mat to intermediate and advanced so much more quickly because of their time on the springboard. Let's reverse here. We're going to bring the knees in, take the legs out and away. Now zip those legs together, bring that feet into the Pilates V, and drawing back in. Good, shoot the legs out and away. These are fun. Extended frog, they feel like frog circles. They feel amazing. Stay here all day and leave you feeling good later. I can sing praises towards the springboard all day long. If you're here and watching this, you probably already know these things and you're really excited about your springboard. We keep our body guessing, work it in different ways every single day. Every day growing stronger, and you can certainly come back to your favorite exercises and make sure that you do them every day. Probably not a day goes by that I'm not doing hip circles on springboard. Rights my lower back and makes everything feel in line. I should be doing the extended frog every day. This feels fantastic. Now zip those legs together. We're going to point through the toes and here. So we're gonna let the legs extend out and away and zip back together. Now remember that you are in control of those springs. Don't let them tug you. You can let them take you a little bit further into a stretch, but you're in control all the time. Don't let it happen to you. You stabilize and control the springs, reaching out. Let them help you while you guide and control your own motion. Zip in together. Good. Opening out, extending. We're going to take these nice and slow so you can let the springs help you stretch a little further. And draw in. Good. Opening out. Let's take 2 more right here. Hip circles now. So we'll let our legs come up 90 degrees and we're going to take down, around, out, and up. The hip circles feel so different when you're on different levels. Normally we're doing them on a 4 or a 5, but they feel a different level of challenging control and stability at level 1. Always play. Don't get too stuck at certain levels. Try things different places. That's what we're going to do in here together. Let's take 1 more hip circles down. And then we'll go into hip circles up. So we're going to open out to the side, draw the legs in, zip together, lifting up. Really feel those inner thighs there. And you're really resisting because those springs are wanting to lift you up super high. Around, zip together, and up. Let's take 4 more. Try to keep those legs even too. You may find that one leg circles a little bit faster. Try to keep them moving together. Do watch these springs right here that you don't have loose fingers or hair that could get stuck. They're very close to you, right? They're lifting up. We'll take 1 more because I wasn't counting, I was talking. Good. And drawing those legs in.
Thanks so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see this entire class or more full classes, check out my links down below for working with me online. And check out my channel for more Pilates Springboard, Mat Pilates, and Barre workouts. And please, if there's something you'd like to see on the Springboard, let me know. I'll see you guys next time in the studio.